Hello guys, in today's video we are going to start the chapter the fundamental unit of our life. In the introduction video we had learned that a cell is a basic, structural and functional unit of our life, and all organisms, living organisms including plants as well as animals, are made up of cells, and all the cells arises from pre-existing cells only. So now let us start with the discovery of cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered cell with the help of a thin slice of a cork from a primitive microscope. He discovered a cell with the help of a thin slice of a cork from a primitive microscope. A cork is nothing but a bark of a tree. It is also made up of dead cells. It does not have any living cells. And Leeuwenhoek in 1674 discovered free living cells in pond water. So Leeuwenhoek in 1674 discovered free living cells in pond water. Coming to Robert Brown in 1831, he discovered nucleus inside the cell. Inside a cell, he discovered the nucleus. And Schleiden and Schwann in 1838 to 1839, they presented cell theory. So they presented cell theory in 1838 to 1839. Purkinje in 1839, he coined the term protoplasm for fluid substance inside a cell. Inside a cell, there is a fluid substance. For that, he termed it as protoplasm. And Virchow in 1855 said cells arise from pre-existing cells only. So in Virchow in 1855 said that all the cells arises from pre-existing cells only. So coming to cellular composition in different organisms. So all the cellular composition in different organisms are based on number of cells. So any organism is based on the number of cells. So it is classified into two types, that is unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are the organisms which is made up of only single cell, and multicellular organisms are the organisms which are made up of many cells. And example for unicellular organism are amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas, bacteria, etc. And example for multicellular organisms are human beings, plants, animals, etc. So under cellular composition in different organisms, they are based on number of cells in an organism. So they are classified into two types, that is unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are the organisms which are made up of only a single cell. Example amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas, bacteria, etc. And for multicellular organism, they are made up of many cells. Example human beings, plants, animals, etc. So now we are going to discuss about shape of cells. So shape of cells can be fixed, and it can also be not fixed. So examples for fixed cells is example is plant and animals. Most plants and animals have fixed shape, and the examples for not fixed cells is amoeba and WBC, white blood cells. Size of cells varies from micrometer to centimeter. The smallest micrometer cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer, and the largest cell is 18 centimeter. Example for 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer is mycoplasma, and example for largest cell of 18 centimeter is ostrich cell. Now coming to the structural organization of a cell, living organisms are like a plant cell and animal cell. I have taken the diagram of plant cell and animal cell. The common things in plant cell as well as in animal cell are cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. You can see it with the red ink. And the non-common thing in plant cell and animal cell is cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell where it is not present in animal cell. Coming to functions of cell membrane, it helps to maintain the shape of a cell. It acts as a mechanical barrier. It provides protection against microscope. Coming to functions of nucleus, it plays a very important role in cellular reproduction and helps in transmission of hereditary traits from parents to offsprings. Functions of cell wall. Cell wall tends to take up water by osmosis. Now we have learned shape of cells, size of cells, structural organization of cells, and functions of cell membrane, nucleus, and cell wall. So now we are going to study that organisms are classified into two types, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells do not have a cell membrane, whereas eukaryotic cells have a cell membrane. Prokaryotic cells are generally small, of measure 1 to 10 micrometer. Eukaryotic cells are generally large, measure 5 to 100 micrometer. Prokaryotic cells have only a single chromosome, and eukaryotic cells have more than one chromosome. Prokaryotic cells do not have centriole. Centriole is absent, and in eukaryotic cell, centriole is present in animal cells only. Examples for prokaryotic cells are bacteria, blue-green algae, etc. And examples for eukaryotic cells are fungi, plants, and animals. So if you like this video, please do like it, share, and if you have any doubts, please do comment it. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.